You had an issue. Sorry, you got interrupted, but may you articulate it?
I got interrupted by UBC. Huh? Where you want me to say it again? Okay. Well, I said judicial power is derived from the people of Uganda. That judicial officers, the power they have is from the people. And therefore, it must be exercised in accordance with the Constitution, in accordance with the law. And so, once you then are exercising such judicial power, you must avoid bias, personal interest, and emotions. And even away from the law, the common sense would dictate that the people should not see you to take a side if they are seeking for justice from you. That I am coming for you to adjudicate. I expect that you have no side, you are non-partisan, you're between the two of us, and you're going to take a decision. And so once I see you fall on their side, then by common sense, I say I have no justice here. And so as not just because I am a member of parliament, but because a member of parliament speaks for the people. So on behalf of us, the non-lawyers, I would expect that the judicial officer finds it in her, appreciates that common sense, that once people are not comfortable with me, don't see me as non-partisan, don't see me as impartial, I should be able to excuse myself from any matter.
The local man, now not talking about law.
You know, growing up, if you're not in the science side of school and you went to the arts, you are told the best course to study is law. And then growing up, we knew judges, there was no distinction between a judge and a magistrate. We knew those were the most competent people that would adjudicate and make decision on any kind of matter. Coming here to this court and running away from the court martial, we are running away from this kind of judgments where we thought the military were using a lot of force, and we knew that if you come to the civilian kind of courts, you'd actually take your day. We were here last time. The lawyers of Dr. Besigye and Hajo Bed made about 4 applications, which they all lost. And you would hear their submissions as laymen, and you would feel these guys have actually explained to the magistrate, who would actually give a ruling, and on every case she would make a ruling immediately. Or there was a time I think she gave about a few minutes. Today we come here where they say, because we're always been told that if somebody spends 180 days in jail, that person gets mandatory bail, and now we have learned to court that what the court only does is to give them condition. The lady said, she even said that I have not counted the days. We were in this court where Dr. Besigye was asking the lawyers to go and pursue the matter in the High Court with the knowledge of the magistrate. And we are surprised when he said, for you, you've decided not to have lawyers. When I'm defending myself and say, you've decided not to have lawyers. So you would actually see that the magistrate is bending on the side of the state, are actually one and the same. So any human being, any peasant would feel, who listens to English, would feel actually offended that why would we actually go to court when the judges and the magistrates cannot be on our side like today. They actually tell you that your laws, which he knows, I believe, because that is a manual, that, you know, if such a matter comes to you, you must, and they say you are incompetent, they give you reasons, and you are taken to the Judicial Service Commission, they say you park it. We would have accepted that. It's okay, fine. If you're not okay with me, I am out of it. You give yourself another 14 days to make a ruling, as if there is a particular interest Magistrate Nantege has in the matter. That anybody, if you listen to English, if you are speaking Luganda, would actually know this lady is biased and is pursuing something. Anybody. And you see, matters like this, we are told they are Uganda versus, Dr. Besigye versus Uganda. You would actually think that the whole of Uganda is the majority, the 49 million against a few. But now what we are seeing is a group of people interested in convicting these 2 or 3 individuals before them.